I don't know what that was. I thought it would be cute or funny. I'm going with it. So, welcome to my shower. I'm going to be, as the title says, doing a does this really work type of video. So, we're going to try out this shower head that I've seen a couple of ads on Instagram, Facebook. I think I even saw it on YouTube maybe, but I've seen it quite a few places. And so it says that this little shower head, because of these little beads that are inside, in here like rattling around, it's supposed to increase your water pressure without actually using more water. So I have just installed this shower head about 2 weeks ago, and I need to raise it because I'm short, and as you can tell, it's like right at my head. So I was going to film this after I raised that, but I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and do it while it's on my mind, and then I can see if this works or not. So hopefully this will fit on the end of this, because this one is huge, but the water pressure is not really that great. So hopefully this will work and I will get better water pressure. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out how to show you guys like how my water pressure is already with this. My shower is already wet because I just got out of the shower, just got ready, dressed, whatever. Okay, I don't know what that was. So we're gonna go ahead and test these two and see if I do get better water pressure. Alright, so let's jump into it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and then zoom you guys in. You can't really see the water. Oh, no, maybe right there. So, I have it turned on full blast, and that's what we're getting. It does have a couple of different settings. That one, obviously the most powerful one. You can hear it. And then that's just off. I'm going to try and zoom you guys in more. Hold on. Okay, I have my camera dangerously close to the water. So there's the full blast one, which I gotta say is pretty good. The only problem is it's just like, it's such a small area. Focus. I can't figure out where to focus. Okay, and then there's that, and then the standard water. And then just throw. Okay. Now, according to the ad, you're supposed to be able to just unscrew your old one. Water's about to go everywhere. Woo! Lost the washer. Okay. Okay. Got the washer back. And supposedly you're supposed to be able to screw this right in. So, ooh, it does fit. Okay, it's on. Screw it on nice and easy like they said. So, that's a plus. They got something right. This one does have, let me see here, 1, 2, 3 settings. You can't really see them because this is all clear, so you can fill them. They have just like little symbols. So this right now it's on the lightest one, and there's a medium spray and a heavy spray. So let's go ahead and try that again. Okay, so far that is pretty impressive. Let me zoom you guys in. Hold on. Okay, you can see, like you can actually see the water a lot better, and this is just on the first setting. So okay, there's your second setting. Oh, there you go. You can't really, you can't really see on camera. Well, yeah, you can. So there's like in the center, like a heavier stream, and then like these lighter flows out. So, and that's the full blast one. I don't know if you can tell, but it does seem that it has a little bit more pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and see, because you can see how it's holding the water in here, but it doesn't seem to be, it just seems to be holding it in. Okay, so I'm really close to the camera. I'm going to go ahead and do a test. I'm going to go ahead and stop saying go ahead. And then I'm going to see if I can get something to show you guys like the actual water pressure of each spray. Okay, overall, I know you guys couldn't really see the difference just showing it. I tried to figure out a way to like show how the water is pressured better, but I couldn't figure out a way. So what I do say is I actually like it. It's draining still. Okay. It does have really good water pressure on both or what are these things called? On both shower heads. I had the water turned on to its fullest, so both hot and cold all the way open. And this one definitely did have better pressure than just my standard regular huge one. And you can even see like the size, like the head difference. This one definitely does give you better water pressure. And I guess just because of the beads, you know, water is built up in there and it forces it out more. Don't know really how it works, but I gotta say I do like it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and link this down in the description bar in case you guys want to check it out. I gotta say that packaging was iffy. It was just in an envelope and then bubble wrapped. So this is just like hard plastic. So it came damage free. It takes a while for this to drain out. So I'm gonna go ahead and you can't even see it. There it is. So overall, I think it does increase the water pressure. If you guys have any thoughts or ideas of how I can show you guys exactly the difference in water pressure between that one and my regular shower head, let me know and I'll film a part 2 to this video. Alright, thanks for watching this short does it work video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. Okay. You can't. I just got water everywhere.